So good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I thank Dr. Partha Vishwas and his ARC team for giving me the chance to speak on performing perimetry by residents not needed. Performing perimetry by residents is not required because performing perimetry is a job of technician and it's not a job of a resident. And time is needed in explaining the procedure and executing the test. It may take up to 45 minutes for both eyes if the patient is not able to follow the instructions, especially in old age. Poor results that are difficult to interpret are often due to the fact that the patient either did not understand what was required or did understand but was unable to respond. So technician or optometrist is cost effective. He may be paid 1/4 of what is paid to the resident, and because he is doing from morning to evening the same test, the performance of the test is much more reliable than the performance by the resident. So the interpretation will also be wrong, and subsequently the patient's management also can go in a wrong direction. Residents can examine 4 or 5 patients during the time taken for one visual field, and this becomes important in crowded OPDs. Pupil size, whether the pupil was dilated, whether the upper lid had to be taped up, and or if any corrective lenses were used, have to be mentioned by the optometrist or the technicians. Residents, however, should be aware as to how to carry out the procedure, which can be learnt in a short time if needed for his own practice. A resident's job should be to read the printout and not to perform the test. Visual field defects are not limited to glaucoma. It is important to examine the retina and optic disc carefully to assess whether or not visual field matches with the appearance of the disc or retina. This cannot be done by optometrists or technicians, but only residents can do, but it takes only few minutes. Residents should be aware of how to interpret reliability indices, raw data, total deviation, mean deviation, and pattern standard deviation. Hence, it is more important is to read, evaluate, and plan the management of the patient as a doctor. So, to conclude, in my opinion, performing perimetry, whether manual or automated, is a job of technician and not of a resident. Thank you.